381. So basically 664 is the magic number you're looking for. That is a double top right now on the pre-market high. Apple's in a 2-minute EWO on the second indicator to the upside. Looking real nice over there for my Apple 2-minute EWO riders. You are in a 6-star trade. Same with the Qs. Qs are also rocket ship. Apple is now broke past previous day high at 273.32. SPY making a nice move to the upside, up 0.8%, $5.525. Can you guys hear me okay?
Coming in clear.
All right, thank you, thank you. All righty then. Thank you. Okay, we're good. Make sure if you guys have any call outs, it's clear and concise. Get in the microphone, get in and get out. Just like with our trading, get in, get green, and get out. If you have any hot stock pick runners, I want to hear it. Open your mouth. Are we live on the YouTubes, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, LinkedIn, Instagram, Craigslist, OF, Smoke Signal, and Fax Machine? Fax machine. Is this thing on?
Yes, Coach.
Oh, okay. Holy shit. Everybody wake up. I know I'm late. What happened while I was gone? Let's go. Come on. Come on. A lot of energy. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes, thank you. My gosh. It's like walking into a funeral parlor. What the frick happened? Let's go. Wake up.
Let's go, Coach.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you. All right, SPY still above this golden level to 664. 664. If you guys have your trading view indicators, make sure you are using them to help you. Give you a little bit of advantage. Don't forget, we got that Black Friday special going on. Use my affiliate discount code to get the best pricing on TradingView. And if you're interested in the prop firm over there, we've got the Tradeify right up top. Use the discount code ADT for all resets and setting up your new accounts. This is your last week to get your Diamond Lifetime membership, by the way. Make sure you guys scoop that up. Last chance.
I was telling my neighbors yesterday.
Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate you. Appreciate you. There we go. Getting a nice climb. Nice little run now. Is anybody in that SPY long above that 664?
I am, boss.
Thank you. Apple 6-star trade. How we looking? Apple 2-minute EWO riders.
Looking good.
Thank you. Thank you. Should be 55%. I like it. Making that money dollar. Good job. I'm in this small trade right here, up $400. Letting it run, doing all the things.
Don't you know you're on the 5-minute, right?
Yep. SPY above 664.55 is the magic number we were looking for next. That was previous day high, 664.55. Took that there. It's $200. All right. It's real quiet in here. Is this what happens when I'm not here? Holy shnikes. What a dumpster fire. Why is this so quiet? Oh my God, that's annoying as shit.
Okay.
Terrible. It's terrible.
Everybody's focused.
I guess
Did
so.
that make Apple a double top from a couple days ago?
Listen, the only thing you guys need to be focused on is let the damn thing ride. What are you goofing around with?
Oh man, it's the hardest.
Give me a break. Let it go, man. Apple, did you say double top? Yeah, I see it. It is a double top at 275.40. I see you.
Kind of rocket ship.
Yep, I see you over there. 275.40 on Apple. Do you guys see this giant double top from 2 trading days ago? Good call on that.
Google's gonna rocket ship.
Thank you. Google, all the stocks, all the whole market, rocket ship, right? It's beautiful. Now remember, because the market had that pullback, everybody said this is it. It's over. The market's going to crash. It's all over. Game over, man. Right? It's all over. We're down 1%. We're down 1% from the high highs. Oh boy. Oh, it's all over now.
I've heard this so many times.
I know. This is the end. We told you those tariffs aren't going to work. This is the end. Oh, shit. New high a day, right? Oh, whoops. Another new high. Oh, tariffs aren't going to work. This is the end. Grocery prices are higher. Oh, new high a day. Never mind. My bad.
Psychology.
Yep. Apple staying up nice and tall over there. Nobody has even had to shed one time. Not once yet. Have you, Apple?
We did, Coach.
No shedding yet on Apple, my ass. Not a single shed has happened.
Not yet.
Not yet.
I'm working on it.
You better work on it harder. I'm here every day for you. You better work as hard as you can if I'm showing up. Appreciate you. Love your face.
Thank you, Coach.
Yeah, look at it though. Seriously. Right? You can see it was consolidating right here around, what is this, 274.77. See it? This is your consolidation zone right here. This is not a pullback yet. Do you understand? Are you listening to the sound of my freaking voice, or am I talking to nobody?
I hear you. Ken.
All right, thank you.
Watch out.
All right, appreciate. All right, appreciate you. Now you could also do the machine gun approach, like David likes to do, right? Load the boat, shed as you go. That's another way you can do it. Otherwise, 50, 20, 20, 10. Got it? Great. Thank you. Appreciate you. SPY with a big old pullback here. Off that what? Double top from 2 trading days ago that you guys called out live, right?
No volume on YouTube, Coach.
No volume on YouTube. Great. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'm working on it right now. Check, testing. Somebody want to say good morning?
Good morning.
It's not picking up. Okay, hold on.
Good morning, Coach.
Thank you. Yeah, something's broke. Let me see. Let's try that. Testing.
Good morning, Coach.
There it is.
I
That'll
hear it.
work. Yep, that should do it. All right, thank you. All right, Apple 2-minute EWO riders getting ready. Still not first pullback yet, though, right?
Absolutely.
But there's no buts here.
It's the hardest.
It is. This is the hardest spot. Waiting patiently, still consolidating sideways. Not a pullback yet, right?
Right.
Everybody's like, but I'm up so much, but, stop. Calm down. If you feel like that, by the way, you're in way too heavy, am I right? If you're getting the sweats and freaking out over red candles, then you know you're in too large. There it is. There's your collect. Ding! There's my first collection point, and it's not even massive yet. But I'll take it. I don't care if it bounces. I'll take it because that's showing a lot of weakness. Broke through. It didn't break through and hold, but I'll take it. Right? You're going to freak out. Now, if that makes new high, though, right, we can always add in when it goes in our favor, but never against us, right, ladies and gentlemen?
That's right, Coach.
Yep. Don't dollar cost average into a losing trade, only into a winner.
Winner, winner, apple dinner.
Yeah, that's right. Yep, there goes that pullback, right? We collect over there. Still sitting strong. I mean, look at SPY. Oops, that wasn't supposed to be 20. It's supposed to be a larger stop loss on that. I hate it when it resets to that. Yep, there goes my money. Well, no, you're leaving without me because I had the default stop was way too small. Goodness gracious. Yeah, that's a nice spot right there on SPY. See that pull back down to the 921 and VWAP?
Hey, Coach, are you sharing your screen?
Yep,
I don't see it.
it's there. Everybody, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
You
All
bet.
right, thank you. I got Sam's mic. Don't worry about it, moderators.
Sounded like an old Chevrolet with the squeaky belt.
It did. It did. I was like, is that a train? Is he in a semi? Yeah, I was like, what is that?
Sounds like a truck.
Yep, it was definitely a truck. Yep.
Timing belt.
Yep. Time to get that serpentine checked, right? Grease it up or do something with it. All right. Apple's still staying up there, but you can see clearly, right, that it's barely hanging on to that 274.77.
Well, and then also, if you look further back to the left,
Yeah.
it's played out pretty heavy in the past.
Is it? Okay. Good call. SPY still pulling back. Try to protect the trade. It's a little too tight. Still pulling back on SPY. Looking for 662.35-ish. Oh, okay. It got as close as it wanted to. You guys can see right here. Found support at 662.68. See it? There's your support. Let's see if Apple can find support over on that 2-minute EWO on the 9 here. Now, everybody in the room, wouldn't that be a spot? Advanced 2-minute EWO riders only, where we could look at an ad either off the 9 or VWAP, whichever one you're more comfortable with. You know to be out below VWAP. So this would be my ad area with a super tight stop just below it, not financial tax or investment advice. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Remember, whatever you add here, even if it pulls back, it's a very minimal risk.
We had a case like this on Friday, Coach. You remember?
Yep, it was the same thing. And it super paid, didn't it? It ran all day, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Doesn't mean it's going to today, but we still, every single time, our strategies should be the same, right? Sometimes they'll work, sometimes they won't. But what we want is a higher probability statistic. And that's why we use, right, correct risk management and setting it up the right way.
think Saturday we had our best turnout for a Saturday class. I think we had close to 100 people in there.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, I think I sold 30 more diamond memberships or something on Friday. So your class should get really large by the end of this week because this is the last chance they get to be in there. So this is it.
That's great.
Yep, yep.
That's great.
They either get in now or they just sit there and watch the show. That's the only choice everybody has at this point. You guys can watch the magic happen or you can be a part of the magic, right?
Yes, sir.
Apple seems to have bounced off VWAP.
That is correct, Amundo. SPY starting to get a nice little spike here. Nice little run. I took advantage of it just because last time it stalled out, same spot. This is why I hammered it. Turned into a nice trade. There's another 250 bucks. That just washed away all the little, like, 3 times I got stopped out, though. Nice move here. Like to see this SPY stay above the 664 level, which is what we had from pre-market, right? We want to stay above 664 for SPY. So that pre-market high was 663.88. Still waiting here.
Microsoft new low day.
Thank you. We had a nice run to the upside right out of the gate. Tesla's still staying up strong. Tesla, oh my gosh, Tesla was up 5% today. Apple sitting on VWAP. SPY, ooh, big old blood candle coming out of SPY right there. Look at that. Still got 30 seconds on the candle. Coming down onto the 200 on the 1 minute. Looking for support at 662.35. This is where I was talking about earlier this morning, remember?
Yeah, this is where it opened too.
Yep, yep. So we're watching for here. If this doesn't hold, we got 662, which is going to be that pre-market low area. See it?
Yeah.
Look at that candle. Wow. What a nasty candle. Okay, right there's pre-market low. Looking to see if that's going to hold. Wanted to long this right here, but
You're coming down to the 200 on the 2 minute.
Thank you. It never slowed down. That's why I didn't scoop that up on that pre-market low. I was looking for
all big seven are pulling coach too, which is helping.
Thank you. I was looking for it to stall out right here.
No, everything is pulling.
Uh-huh. Looking to see if buyers are going to come in right here. Longing it. I'm in it long. Not financial tax or investment advice. There it goes. Thank you. That's $200. Boom, I'll take it. That's nice. That's the difference between a professional and the rest of the world. Am I right, ladies and gentlemen?
100%.
Very much so, Coach.
Yep. It took a.
What if it goes past the 661.50 right there?
Then I'm going to short it, right? But I saw it stall at the 661.60. As soon as I saw a stall, I knew that the buyers are going to try to come in. That's why I jumped it right there, getting the small momentum ride back up. But yeah, if it goes below that, I'll short it. But this right here is the buy off of the pre-market low of 662, right, gang?
You're buying it.
Look at that. Yeah,
Yep,
isn't that
yep,
what I
yep,
said?
Yep.
Didn't I say to long it? What did I say? Huh? Woo!
I'm in it. Thank you.
At the moment you said it, Coach. Very
Gosh.
well, thank you.
Not financial tax or investment advice, not to mirror or mimic my trades. Do what you need to do. Isn't
But
that
you showed us why, and that's what's so special.
But isn't that funny? The whole world was thinking short, crash, it's gone, the whole market's tanking. Oh no, here, and I'm like, all right, going long. I love my job.
Apple pulled all the way back to VWAP.
Yep, I see it. It's still on VWAP though, right?
Yeah, and I think Tesla is trying for a new high right now.
Oh boy.
Look at Tesla.
Yep, it is. Tesla's staying up nice and strong.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yes.
There we go. Tesla new high a day. How about that SPY rebound on a downward momentum against the grain? Coach is crazy. That old man, what I see him do on a daily consistent basis, that guy is crazy. What is wrong with that guy? I know. It's a sickness, I tell you. Sickness. This guy's sick. That's nice. So nice. Did anybody make any money off that SPY bounce going long against what the entire
Sure did.
world thought?
Yes, yes, yes.
I did. I'm in it.
Indeed. Yes, sir.
Hey, Coach.
Tell me.
So whenever you're making that move that you called out a few minutes ago and went the other way, are you really, really, really paying attention to the how much time's left on one candle? Try to see. So I know you said, hey,
I
it's
am.
stalled out. You
Yep.
figured it's pushed back.
Yep.
You're waited to buy back in until
I
right at
did.
the end of the time limit? Okay.
Yeah. I'm always watching that candle, right, to see what it's going to do. And like
Yep.
this, right, it's got like 30 seconds, but we're sitting on VWAP. Isn't this a collection point, everybody who went long? Yes? Hello?
Already sold. Thank you.
Hello? Hello? Yes?
Anyone?
Yes, Coach. Yes, it
Okay,
is.
thank you. Holy shnikes. I hope you're listening to the sound of my voice, because if you're just like in frickin' no man's land, you're going to get your ass burnt.
I mean, it's like a double top right there anyway.
Well, you're on VWAP, right? That is the strength. That is everything. That is resistance. That is the wall. That is the... You've made all your money from the bounce to VWAP. That was the move. There is no better A+ setup in the game than what we just did right there. And if you're listening, you made ass loads of money. And if you didn't, you're still sitting there staring at the screen going, how the hell are these guys making hundreds of millions of dollars? Right? Like blink, 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 blink.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
Results not guaranteed, have not checked brokerage statements, all the legal. Ugh. I need to just have that disclaimer down there. Everything he says is not been verified by brokerage and account statements and checked every single 24,000 members of all of their statements. Now, who collected up there on VWAP? Who shorted up there on VWAP? Who did the things that you know to do? Because I show you in real time every single day.
You
It's
know
the
it.
bounce,
Coach.
but I shorted it off of VWAP.
Thank
Yeah, I shorted also too on VWAP.
Good job, folks.
Thank you. What is wrong with my damn... All right, sorry, my sounds are all jacked. Give me just a moment, see if I can fix this. Please hold. Output. Right there. Fixed. Try it again. Yes. Yes. All right, we're back. Brian,
Results.
give me a minute. Brian, you give me a minute. You can ask your 47 questions that I love in just a moment. Appreciate you. That's Brian Brian University. We haven't had a good question from Brian in a while. He's been silent for the last 2 weeks. No, I guess it's been 6 trading days. How does this old man know everything? Listen, man. That's my job to know. This is what I do. There's your VWAP right here. Notice this time, though, we got a little bit of a pattern change. We're still respecting VWAP as resistance. I would not be shorting VWAP on this one, though, because everything is shoved up into it. So you would wait on this trade, where before we didn't. Before you had the perfect downward trend moving. This one you do not. This one you will wait. Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, boss.
Okay.
Yes, it's true. It's breaking. It's breaking.
It's
the
not
trend
breaking.
right here.
It's not breaking anything, and we're still respecting it as resistance. But the problem
Yeah.
is, everything is jammed up. So this is a no-fly zone for me. It's just all too jammed up right here, right? Normally, I'd short it off short it off of VWAP. We got downside momentum. This time we don't, because everything is jam piled up on here. You're gonna wait. There it goes, breaking VWAP. Right, this time we just hold and wait. I will long above 664. Otherwise, I sit on my hands.
Yeah, the EMAs were all just kind of
Yeah, everything is just sitting right there. So you got resistance, VWAP, support right underneath it, too tight, don't need it, not forcing a trade. Why would I do that? Look for a better setup. I don't have to force things. Am I right?
We also had a kind of like a little bit of a downtrend, and it started to change. So
Yeah.
Change 1 minute.
Thank you. 1 minute. Don't worry, Brian. I see you. Just give me a couple minutes here. I want to get us through this 10 o'clock, but I got you. If it's an emergency, let me know, though. By the way, anybody, if you ever have an emergency, Coach, I can't get out of this trade. Coach, I need help. Coach, some blah, blah, blah. Open your mic. Tell me immediately. There is no hand raising. I will help you immediately. That's what we do. All right. Watching this trade right here.
Shift change 20 seconds.
Thank you. Good call out. Watching. 10 seconds. Did I save anybody's butt on this VWAP? Because that did not pull back yet, right?
Yes, you did, Coach. One runner on the long. I'm hanging on the stop.
Nice job. Look at that. There it is. Volume. Wow. Whose ass did I save on that? Woo!
Me.
Wow. This guy really does know what he's doing. No wonder they're the largest and most successful stock market trading community in all the lands. You bet your ass. Thank you for being here, ladies and gentlemen. Appreciate you. Did anybody long it above, what did I say, 664?
yes, I am in it.
Good job.
Absolutely.
Good job. Not financial tax or investment advice, just different trading strategies for your paper trading accounts.
Hopefully it goes to a double top. That would be nice.
That's nice. Thank you for being here, everybody. Oh, let's see. Oh, there goes all the links on the YouTubes. There we go. All the links. Just sent them all out. Nice. All right, SPY, we're looking break and hold of 664.55 was the next critical area that I have marked right here. If we get this, we're going to get a push up to that 665.50. 665.50. So choice.
Coach, I know we're not supposed to have a bias, but overall, if somebody went out a week or two on SPY, isn't it kind of low anyway from where it looks like it could be going into Thanksgiving?
Yeah, but I wouldn't be I mean, I want to look at big picture, right? So if we're doing that,
Okay.
yeah. So if we're doing that, right, everybody, you guys are going to look at your EWO. Well, raise your hand though, because Brian Yu is going to be up next. Brian Yu, where are you at, partner? Go ahead. Now's the time to ask your question.
Here, I was actually just raised my hand about how you longed it. You know, just a little bit more of your thought process
Yep.
on why you longed it when you did.
Yeah, I got you. All right, so you want to know why, Brian Yu?
Sure.
You guys ready? Hold on. Throw it up. Because I'm a genius.
I thought that
Oh, man.
Oh, that's nice. All right. Here's why, Brian, and everybody that's sitting in the room. First thing is I was watching for this area right here, this 662. This was our pre-market low area. Everybody see it? Right here. So I knew once it got into this range that I was watching for it to stall out. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean, once it stops creating downward candles and it stopped, right? Here was the breaks. That was it. I was watching for buyers, everybody in the room, masterclass media members. I was looking for buyers right here. Soon as I saw buyers come in, which was this exact moment, hammered it long. Now we're new high a day. That's exactly why I did what I did. That's exactly why everybody in the room made money. That's exactly why we do what we do here at American
Spy that
Dream
bolt up.
Tradings. Yep, SPY is now rolling up on a double top at 665.53. Does that answer your question, Brian?
Yes, it does. And also, 3 of those 6 days I was unable to get on until you were off. So
3 of the 6 days you were unable to do what?
I was unable to get on your Zoom call. I was busy at those times.
Oh, yeah. Isn't that funny, though, that I remembered the last time that you and I had a discussion and you're like, holy crap, this guy really does pay attention. You want to know why, Brian? Because I care about all of my members in the community.
Oh.
See, you thought you were just another number, Brian, but not here, not at American Dream Trading. You are not just another number. You are another person that I want to help succeed and become great. You understand me? There's your double top pullback. So choice.
I have another question if I can.
Oh, well, you got 2. You always ask me in 2, Brian. I would expect nothing less from you, young man. Go ahead.
So, like you saw right there, SPY was running just like it did from 9:30 to basically 9:35, right? Before it eventually started pulling back. And I know you're kind of get in, get green, get out. I guess, what's the range or how close are you keeping that stop to? Because part of it is you want to take the money, but also you want to let it work and let it run. But it was so far above the 9 that it can come back so far.
Correct.
And you just, what's your thoughts there?
Well, it just depends on what kind of trade you're doing, right? Are you a heavy trader? You going super heavy, you scalp fast? Are you a 2-minute EWO rider where you should not ever take the money out until you see a pullback? Are you going in small where you allow the runners to run and stop out the losers? If that's the case, then you don't even need to have a stop other than you're looking for, right, a knife drop, right? It just depends on what kind of trader you are. What are you doing? What kind of trades are you in? Right? What can you stomach? Do you got the cojones, right, to be able to ride it out, do all the things? Just depends on what kind of trader. Are you in a $250,000 trade? Are you doing $1 million trade? Do you get in? Do you make a quick, right, $150,000? Or do you get in with a $30 trade and you let it run, right, 3x it's just depends. What kind of trader are you? There you go.
So with the mindset of a scalper.
Get in, get green, get out.
Yeah.
If it's going in your favor, leave it alone. Everybody in the room, you watch me trade it every single day, all day long. You guys all know I go about half of where it's at, right?
Yep.
Always about half. I give it room to run. I let it do its thing. When it starts to get close to a major key critical area, I tighten the stop because I already know it's going to want to come back. And if it is, I'll just get out. Get in green and get out, right? It's been my motto since day one. Every day, if you are a scalper, we collect the profits, move your stop to at least above what you paid. So no matter what, as long as your stop works, obviously it can blow through your stop, you make money. Make sense?
And it works.
And it does.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. There we go. I'll take that right off that double top. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Coach, how do you do what you do? Watching the 9 for a pullback. Coach, but you hit the double top after you hit the double bottom for so much money. And you called it out live while you traded it.
704 460
Whoa.
90.
Whoa, I don't want your social security number, Cam. Take it easy there, fella.
Oh God, let me turn my mic on.
Goodness gracious. Did anybody hit the double top with me, make the money, collect it at the 9, wait for the next setup, A+ setup while we were live doing the things?
I did, yes, sir.
Thank you.
Both times, Coach. Made it
Thank-
90% on the second trade.
Boom,
Thank you.
boom, boom.
Thank you. Isn't it crazy what we're able to duplicate in here?
Jeez.
Look at this. Am I right? Huh? Come on. Woo! This is glorious. Did I or did I not call up there on the double top? I waited for it to stall out, Brian, just like we did on the bottom. Even though the momentum was right into the upside and everybody's like, we're going to make new high and it's going to run forever. No, it's not, because you don't know shit. We do at American Dream Trading. We're not goofing around with Fibonacci retracements, liquidity levels and sweeps, fair value gap, inverted triangles.
Coach, you are hilarious.
We're here to make money. We're not goofing around with all that bullshit. You can draw little cows and shit on your screen whenever you want. You knock yourself out. And while you're doing that, we'll just make millions of dollars. Am I right, ladies and gentlemen? Look at that. Come on. What's my 2 favorite setups, everybody in the room?
Double tops and double bottom.
And what did we hit both perfectly?
Double top and a double bottom.
I'm out. Everybody have a blessed day. God bless.
Do you always shed at the 9 on those, Coach?
Yes. If that is a major area, yes, I will. Yep, the 9. And if it's VWAP, 100%, right?
Awesome. Thank you.
Yep. Because remember, we're looking to see if that's going to be the key area. I can always enter again. This is the part, right? If I'm a scalper, I can always enter again, but I want to make sure I collect my profits. And where did it just bounce from? 9. So I want to collect. If it blows through it, I can do it again. But I get my A+ areas, right? Now, if you want to hold some, I always say, if you're a scalper, take 80 to 90% off the trade on the first move. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yep. It's different. It's not a 2-minute EWO. I'm not doing 50, 20, 20, 10. Typically, as a scalper, I'll take the heavy weight, the majority of the trade off that first A+ perfect setup. Sets me up for success, because then no matter what, the rest of the trade, and now I could let it run. I don't care. Even if it comes all the way back to 0, I don't care. I've made the majority of my money already. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
And there you go. And if it does that, yay. But I've already made all my fat loots. Those of you that go in small and you allow the runners to run and stop out the losers, you can ride that double top all the way down to VWAP or new low of day, right? That's the difference. So you go in small, you can let it run. Go in large, I don't have that much risk. I want to make sure I'm collecting a little bit more, right? It just, however you want to trade. I hope that makes sense. But anyways, the moral of the story is the A plus setup was everything. I don't care if you made $30 or $3 million, right? The A plus setup is everything. Am I right?
Yes.
Don't
Yes, it makes a big difference.
Oh, was that Tony? I knew it. Tony, I see you. Tony just crushing it, by the way. Tony met with me a little over a week ago. Tony, how much are you up on your account since meeting with me one time?
Over 500% at last count.
Mm-hmm. Did everybody hear that? Was it just me? Am I the only one that heard that?
God. That is awesome.
Isn't that crazy? You know what's even crazier? Nobody else gets to do that because now all my time is filled up. Remember when I kept telling all of you, if you want to get with me, you better do it now? They're all sold out. We're done. There is no more mentorships. They're full. That's it. Tried to tell you. Wah, wah. That's it. Game over. Party's over, man. Tony was actually the last one. By the way, Tony did a one-on-one with me. We 5x'd her account, and now she's set up with me for a mentorship. It's crazy how that works.
It is completely crazy how that works. I am so excited.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. I did have one other person who actually bought my 1 a week program on top of it. Tony, you two on the same day. So he bought 50 hours, and I will be working with him every week. And that was it. Filled all my spots. We're done. Tried to tell you all. Did I or did I not say they're going to go fast and they're gone? And I said once they're gone, you're smoked. You don't get to do it. That was it. There we go. Now, what is the move? Where would we have longed that off of the double top? And where would we have collected? Where was the absolute collect all? And where would we have longed that trade?
VWAP and 664 support.
There it is.
And I'm in a boss.
Thank you. That's just every trade nailed perfectly, right? Isn't that exactly what I train all of you on? And listen, I don't care if you're trading crypto. I don't care if it's futures. I don't care if it's stocks. And I don't care if it's options. It's all exactly identical. When I train you on one, I've trained you on all. That's it. That is all. Right there's your trades. Bing, bing, bing. Bang, bang, boom.
Are you sure that's all, Coach?
That's it. That's all of them. It's all the things.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Internet issue.
Yeah, no worries. I know I was having technical issues too this morning. Like, come on. Yeah, that's
Son of a.
Yep. Oh, did you watch your homework over the weekend?
Dusk till dawn?
Yes.
I did not. I'm gonna be honest with you. So I will get it watched. I will get it right.
That's fine. No Selma Hayek for you. No big deal.
No, because
Yep.
I've been working on this masterpiece, dude.
No
I
Selma
just didn't watch
Hayek for
TV.
you. Gone.
Don't you want like one of the greatest videos ever created?
Yes. Oh,
okay.
There's a triple top pullback, ladies and gentlemen. Be careful. We're right in that danger zone, aren't we?
It was good.
Oh my. Oh my. This is textbook, man. This is everything we talk about every single day. This is exactly what I train all of you on. All of these moves, right?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
80.
It's glorious.
80, Coach, 83 trades. 4 very, very, very tiny losers.
Nice job. By the way, Levi over here is also working with me. Another mentoree. How we doing, Levi, since you and I have been working together?
Excellent, excellent, excellent. I'm 6 weeks, 6 weeks green every day, profit every day. I had 2 screwy days in the middle of there, but they've all been corrected, and I'm just, I don't have enough words, Coach.
Thank you. I try, Levi, Tony, right? Everybody, didn't I try to tell him to get in the mentorship program? I could have swore I tried to tell him every day, and everybody just sitting there blinking, staring off into outer space, right?
Same thing about diamonds.
I know. I try to tell him. I try to tell him, man. Woo! Nobody wants to 5 or 1,000x their account, I guess, right? Results not guaranteed legal. It's trading is hard. You may not make any money and all the.
Whoops, sorry.
It's funny though, when I set up all of my mentorees, I told them I am going to use you as the case study. So next year, I'm not kidding. So next year I can charge $500,000 to $1 million per person. Didn't I tell everybody in my mentorees program? That's exactly why I'm doing what I'm doing.
Yes, sir.
I'm not kidding. I'm not exaggerating, and I'm not kidding, because next year I'll take on like 2 or 3 people, right? Charge them $500,000 or $1 million each. Because guess what? When they 5, 10, 20, or 50x potential their account, guaranteed all the legal, you could lose money in trading. Trading is very hard. Right. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, go. Go, Bruno. Yeah. Sorry, brother. Do what you got to do. Get out of here. Go. Don't even sit in here. Bye. Bye-bye. Thoughts and prayers of Bruno. Emergency just came up. Thoughts and prayers. Positive energy for Bruno. Appreciate you.
Love you, Bruno. Sending positive vibes your way, bud.
That's right. Thank you. Appreciate that. Go. Get out of here. Go. Triple top. Pullback. I know it's kind of sitting in that danger zone, and now it's on the 9. So be careful, right? This is where you got to be careful up there. Typically, right, you'd hammer that thing to the downside off this triple top. Just be extra cautious. You've got the 9 riding right here. It's already done the move coming off this twice. See it? Let this thing go. See if it's going to come back a little bit more. Be patient. This is resistance up here, though, right? We all obviously know this is the resistance. Okay, there it goes. That's better. That's better. Did anybody get in on that triple top? I know there wasn't a lot of meat there yet.
I did.
Nice job.
It was good.
Good job. Good job.
I think I hit it 3 times.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Oh, I love it. Oh, don't forget, we have a very short week this week. Very, very short week happening. No market on Thursday for Thanksgiving. Friday is a half a day. This is your last opportunity to get your Diamond Lifetime Membership. Get it now. Oh my gosh, I swear, if you're sitting there and you have the means and you're like, well, I don't know. What more do we have to do in here? Like, what more proof in the pudding could you possibly get, right?
Coach, how about puts on turkeys?
Yes, put the puts on the turkeys. Thank you. If you guys are watching over on YouTube, thank you so much. Click that thumbs up. Click subscribe. Thank you. If you don't have the means, then don't get it. But Rebecca, you should be over in my free training right now. Rebecca, I see you over on TikTok. Go to my website, American Dream Trading. Click on Join the Community. You'll see a big giant button that says, click here for our stuff. Click it. It's free. Join the Discord. Free. Get a week worth of training inside of the Zoom room. There's over 300 people. Free. All of it right now. Free. Oh, but I can't afford it. It's free. Oh, how much does it cost? Free. Free.
Coach, what is cheaper than free?
Free. Free,
Yeah.
free. 0 times 0 is 0, right? That's free. Come on. Listen, some of you are like, oh, but I will make payment plans with you. I will help you out. Oh, I need to put it on multiple cards. That's fine. Oh, I need to come out draft from the bank. We got you. Oh, what about wire transfers? Fine. Listen, we do everything you need over here. Seriously, just remember, we'll never friend request you, send you a direct message, none of that. I don't want you guys getting scammed. No, we're not going to trade for you. We don't take crypto. Well, I have a couple, but I don't want to say yes because then people will think that's me. Direct message you. Will you trade for crypto? No. If you don't have a help desk ticket opened and you're not having conversations with us inside of our server in our help desk area where you go to American Dream Trading and you click on help desk and create a ticket, that's not us. Do it. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can break out of this triple top area 665.76.
Has a wedge going up.
Yep, it really does. It really does.
It's going to have to go somewhere.
Yes,
Sure.
sir. But it's really starting to get tight up here on the top, right? So this is where I do not short it, right?
Yeah.
It could, right? Because it's still considered resistance, but there's no way I'm doing that once we get all jammed up. Now, if that breaks below that 21 and hold, yeah, I'll short it. We've already had the triple top pullback. This is now, right, a cup and handle if you think about this. Here's your cup. Here's your handle. This is your retest, right? Okay, great. Waiting right here. See if we can get below this 21. If we get a break and hold below this 21, I will short it because then we're going to be looking at coming back down right to VWAP again. In fact, I need to set up for it. Sitting on it right now. Let's see if we're going to get a little bit more of a pullback. 18 seconds on that candle. Oh, that's nice. 10 seconds. I don't want to get in too early on that, right? Especially if it stalls out and pops to the upside. So I'm waiting. Red candle in it.
I like where that candle started.
Yep, me too. That's why I shorted it right there. I'm going to move my stop in tighter though, but yep, I liked that setup. There it goes. Nice. Nice. I'll take 50 more bucks. That was a much better setup. Do you guys see why I shorted it at that point? That was nice. Now we're looking right here. Now remember we had support at 664.55 and then down to 664. Those are our two major areas you will be watching for, okay? It's like taking candy from a baby. Nice. We got a lot of stuff going on this week. We're going to be kind of short-handed for a little bit. A lot of personal things are coming up. That usually happens around the holidays. Who's going to scoop up one of those diamond memberships by Friday? I highly advise you start finding a way now. Appreciate you. Time is it? 10:26. Gosh. Flew by, but I got in here so late. I'm like, how is it that time already? Because you came in late. What are you, a banker? You have banker hours? Coach comes in. Coach comes in for an hour. I'm out of here. Have a great day. Gonna hit the golf course. Yeah.
More like the game. You know it.
I know it. I did work all weekend, though. I'm sure you guys seen me all over the place. I worked all weekend. Did not take a break.
Workaholic.
Yeah, sometimes that happens. Oh, there we go. There's a nice pop. Wow.
Team no sleep.
Yes, yes. 30 seconds on this candle. I'm waiting to see. I was going to long it right here, but since we're right into this danger zone, I'm just going to wait. There's no reason for it because if it's going to pull back, we're on resistance. I don't have enough meat on the bones for it to go long. There's no reason to do it. If this breaks above that 665.76, which was previous high, then I'll long it. Otherwise, right here, we're just going to be kind of in this chop soup. So I don't want to, there's no reason to goof around in here, right? Wait for a better, yeah, wait for a better setup. This is that danger zone right here. I want to see it go long up here. Nice candle. How much time? 30 seconds on this. 30 seconds. Thinking about it.
Yeah.
It's tapping it. Tappy tap, but we're still up on the ceiling.
The one you're in is tapping the midpoint regression channel too.
Is it? Okay, good call. Yeah, let me pull up my trading view indicators.
I'm assuming you're on the 1 minute there.
Yep. Yeah, I see it. Good call. I always leave my trading view on the 2 minute though, but yeah, I see it up there. Good call. Nice and nice. Welcome,
Yeah.
Ken. I see you, Ken. Rian. Welcome, Anthony. Good to see you. You just joined the free crypto. Nahir, good to have you here. Gerald, Chuck, Jason P. You're missing your name, but I see you in your email. Patrick. Oh, Patrick. Yeah, we fixed yours, Patrick. Welcome back again. Patrick has been gone for a while. Welcome back. Let's see. Juan, good to have you. Andre, good to see you in here. Daya, welcome. Donald, good to have you. Vinvent, sorry. Good to have you in here. Beatrice. Don't worry, moderators, I got it. Beatrice, thank you. Trezeles, good to have you here. Appreciate you. Those are the latest ones that just signed up.
Hey, Coach, I got a question on Turbo Trader real fast.
Yeah, go ahead.
So in Turbo Trader, I've got it set to buy whatever or sell whatever at a market. And I have a stop loss set. So when I buy something, it puts it in my working orders. It puts where I bought it, and then it puts the stop loss in there, right?
Yes.
So when I want to sell it, because I'm scalping immediately, I just hit the Turbo Trader to sell the same amount, and it won't sell it all because it says there's a stop
loss. That's correct. You got to do a flatten first. You can do a flat. If you do a flatten, it'll sell the whole thing. It'll kill the stop. It'll kill the stop and sell at market.
Okay.
Yep.
See, flatten is not lit up on mine. Is it only lit up whenever you go ahead and purchase, or what?
Yes, after you've made the sale, then yep, you have to. It can't be in the working order. Once it's already a part of your order, your position, then you can use flatten.
All right.
Yep.
I'll try that. All right, thanks.
Yep.
I'm having to move the mouse too many times. Too much work. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I do. Trust me, I do. Yep.
Hey, coach, on the
Yes.
flatten thing,
Yep.
just note that it closes your stop first, and there's
Correct.
a bit of a delay before it closes your trade. So just
That's
be
correct.
forewarned.
Yep, that is correct. Yeah, there's
Okay,
about
thank you.
there's about a 1 to 2 second delay by the time it kills the stop and then places the market order. Yep.
Cancel the order then.
It's like
still
clunk.
stocks this work best.
It's like clunk, clunk, right?
Okay, so it's about the same then.
Yeah, it's for you, yeah, to manually do it and all things, yeah, it'd be the same. Yep.
Yeah, because I might rip it real fast in one full candle or something. You know what I mean?
Yeah, for sure.
Help it.
Yep. That's why I like that flatten though. It just anything that's sitting there, it's gone.
Yeah. Brad, there's a compact version of that for Weevil too that gives you an exit right at your buy sell position if you want to try that too.
So what is that? Compact?
Yep, in your trade settings. I'll do some pictures for you.
Okay, thanks.
What membership level are you?
Diamond.
Our OG from the very beginning.
He's
I just want to put it in the right chat.
Posted in the Diamond Lounge. Yep.
Yeah. All right, cool.
Thanks.
Chris, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Howdy there. Hey, just want to make sure people knew about Wednesday.
Yes, tell me.
So we are moving the crypto Zoom just for this week to tomorrow, Tuesday, 7:15. So if you are attending the crypto meeting, come at 7:15 tomorrow instead of Wednesday. We just want to let people have time with their family, right before
Yes.
Thanksgiving.
100%.
People start, getting, things ready for it and cooking. And I know I'm going to be helping, my mom make her stuff together. So
Very cool. Awesome. Thank you, Chris.
yeah, man, the crypto market's been great though. Hopefully, for those of you that didn't know you could make money going down, yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, we can. Both ways, just like stocks and options, right? We can do that.
That's right.
Hell yeah. Thank you, Chris and Bucko, doing a great job over in the crypto side. By the way, if you guys didn't know, you can sign up. Same thing with crypto, 7-day free trial. And we've got a crazy sale while we're building up that program. $50 a month to get crypto. You could add it onto your service. And by the way, you just got a ton of new members because remember, every time I sell a diamond, you get a brand new crypto member as well. So if you guys have a diamond membership, you already have access to all of the crypto training, live Zooms, training videos, etc. Get over there. Check it out. Now, the nice thing too with crypto is the only thing that's 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. It is the only thing that does that. Not stocks, not options, and not futures. Crypto, 24/7.
There's always something moving.
Always.
There has never been a time I've not seen something move 30 to 100%.
Yep. Yeah, it's always churning and burning for sure. You guys are doing a great job over there. Thank you so much.
Yeah, let me give a shout out to those two, man. They just
Yes.
never stop.
That's
Chris
true.
and Buck are always at it. I mean, 24/7. You get on, if there's nothing going on someplace else, those two are doing something.
Yeah, they are. It's awesome.
Full of education, and man, they really, really are good.
Yes. Thank you. You guys
Short
remember
video
that.
posted for Brad.
Now listen, you guys remember that. You guys know where the tip jars are at, right? Get over there. Go to the tips moderators. You guys should be throwing tons of money at, especially all my training mods that you work with every day, right? Everybody here does a great job. But if you guys, look at David's working with you every morning. Chris, Bucko, right? Bruno, like some of these people are with you. Palm, Mark, right? They're just constantly, Dawn, working with you constantly every day, right? There should be nothing but fat loots being thrown right at their face inside of the tip jars. I was looking for a bigger pop right here. There it goes. Trade's protected. Half the candle. I'll take it for another 50. Just like that. Doing super small trades, by the way. I'm doing like tiny trades.
That's the break of the the handle, right?
Yes, it is.
Break
Yep.
out. There you go.
Yep, absolutely. And we broke that major level up here, right? This 665.76. You guys remember me saying I will long it once we get a break and hold up there, right? Yep, that was me making. Yep, that was me making money up there, right where I said. And I was late to the party because I'm training. Still made money.
Because you got it going on like that, coach?
Yes. So you guys should really be crushing it, right? It's glorious.
Coach, I had a quick video in the Diamond Lounge for those settings.
Oh, perfect. Perfect.
Thank you.
There you go. Was that for you, Brad?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
I'll get it.
Thank you.
Let me know if you have questions.
Good job. Come on. Where do you guys get this much training and education? Nowhere. Nowhere on the earth.
I was saying you didn't give me a chance to open my mic. Nowhere.
Nowhere on the earthisness. Did anybody else do your homework? Did anybody watch From Dusk Till Dawn over the weekend?
Just the snake dance, coach.
I couldn't remember it. I've seen it, but I was too busy studying.
Just the snake. Just the snake dance. Everybody's like, no, but I made sure to go on YouTube and watch the 3-minute video of Selma Hayek. Come on.
For sure.
Cheaters.
My mom doesn't let me watch R-rated movies.
I hear
Don's like, oh, that's right. We can do that.
Yeah, you guys are cheaters.
Get out of my head, Papa.
You guys are supposed to watch the whole thing, not the cliff notes.
I won't do it. I won't do it. I
The
was
whole
tempted just
thing.
now. He literally read my mind just now. I'm like, oh, wait a minute.
The whole
I'll watch
thing.
the whole thing. I'll watch the
Coach,
whole
does
thing.
it count if we watch Selma Hayek dance for 3 hours?
You got it on. You got it on repeat.
Yeah, it's on spin.
Yeah.
Wash and repeat.
That's right. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that.
And Coach, I wanted to add something about the depth of learning that they get here.
Tell me, Richard.
If I may. You know, in the morning, why you want to be with us, especially Diamond, because then you get everything. This morning, we also were talking about news and how news events can affect stock. And over the weekend, if you didn't hear it, Google came out with their new Gemini 3.0, and there were several reviews from it. Benioff from reviewed it and said that it was far and away better than anything out there. And then on CNBC, they were talking about it, and there was a lot of agreeing. And so we looked at Google today, and it took off based on news, and news will create an event. And just another facet that you get here with discussion about different companies, different plays, and what's going on.
Absolutely. And remember me last week talking about Tesla creating their own chips, right? And that was discussion over the weekend, and that drove Tesla today, right, to the 5%.
We talked about that this morning as well.
That was also talked about this morning. Yeah. In fact, one of the people said, you know, there's winners and losers in AI that's going to happen. And Tesla, with all its cameras, they're going to be gathering a lot of data that handles with the different area than Google with their data of other stuff. And so you could see Tesla and Google being 1-2, because somebody's going to win and there's going to be losers. Not everybody's going to win, but those two, man, they're at the front of the pack. Oh, and then I don't know if you heard it, Coach, and it's a little bit political, but it's okay. Did you hear about Foreigner and that they're a little worried about things and they're looking to change their name? Did you hear about that, Coach?
I don't think so.
They're changing it to Citizen.
What was it? I don't.
To Citizen, political. I had to slip it in there for Coach. Okay, I had to slip it in there for him.
Come on. No, but anyway.
You gotta slip in the wah, Coach.
Yeah, that's terrible. But listen, didn't I say last week before it hit the news wire about Tesla and their AI chip? Didn't I have that discussion live with everybody
100%.
in this room before it happened, right?
100%.
Yep, that's why we are always in the know. I told you technology is my life. It has always been my passion, my life. I'm always on top of it. I always know before the rest of the world knows. My vision has always been clear, right? I have always been in the forefront, the bleeding edge of technology so that we have that information before the rest of the world, right?
Yeah, and you said that Tesla's collecting live living AI data, and that's true, and that's what they're doing, and Google's collecting the computer data.
That's correct. And
intellectual data.
And if you remember me also last week, I said that Google and Apple were trying to drum up Gemini to work with Apple, which drove Apple last week, right? Didn't I say that? You get it here first, ladies and gentlemen. Before the rest of the world knows, you get it right here. Yes? I mean, you literally get that news and what's coming and why before the rest of the world. I'm telling you, it is my passion. If I am not working on anything that we are doing, it is all technology and what is coming and why and how do they utilize it. And if not, what could they do? And what does that mean? And what companies are affected? Well, what does that mean to the stock? It's 24/7. My brain is all over it. I am Iron Man in real life form. 100%. Every tech reviewer you've ever watched, tiny amount of information of what I have squirreled around up here in my head. Tiny, right? I have been doing this for over 30 years. I have owned, tested, bought, reviewed, supported every single piece of technology that has ever come out. Ever. That's it. That's all.
So
Done.
if you're wondering if it's real, you have evidence right there.
100%.
Just come and join us. It's 100% true.
Yeah, and if anybody knows, people in my real life, they always know. I've always been like that, right? That's why I've owned IT companies. That's why I've been on the forefront of all the IT companies, of the largest, most profitable, right, Fortune 50 companies out there for their IT and robotics and everything that they're doing. I have been there the whole way. Appreciate you. How about Spy? Who got in it on the break of 665.76?
I was in it to the upside.
Thank you.
I've got a little resistance at 667.02 or 667.
I've got one at 667.27. Yep.
I was in it, boss.
Thank you. Tell me
Coach.
isn't that a beautiful runner? Is that Mark?
Coach, I'm back from vacay.
Hey!
Everybody making money over here?
Woo!
Yeah.
Nice.
I don't know if you know, Coach, but some people celebrate Thanksgiving this week. But
here
us down here in Ohio, I don't know if you've heard. The Buckeyes are #1 in the country, and probably going to go, if they can beat Indiana, they're probably going to be the national champs again this year. But that remains to be seen. But I just had only one thing. I just wanted to encourage you by saying, screw the blue.
Oh,
here you go, Mark. Little something for Mark. This will be the only time you hear anything has to do with frickin' Ohio. This will never happen again. It's a one-time deal. It's a one-time event. There you go, Mark.
Yeah, Coach, they got to get through Michigan this Saturday.
Yeah, it's not going to happen. But here you go, Mark. Little something for you. That's it. Oh, my gosh. We can't take any more of that.
Hey, come on. Come on, Coach.
Made me want to puke, Coach. Made me want to puke.
Yeah. Were you getting excited, though, Mark? Did that get you fired up or what?
Oh, I was. Thank you very much. I'm actually impressed. Hey, you have a great day. We're over here filling up rinks trucks.
Yay.
Over here in the Futures Group. Come on over. drink the Kool-Aid. We'll show you how to make some real money over here with the futures.
Absolutely.
Don't forget, if you get that free 7-day trial, come on over, see what it's like.
Appreciate you, buddy.
You'll never go back.
Glad to have you back. Do you hear that? Mark's got his steer link up and running. They're over there printing, making fat loots over in the futures. Make sure you guys join them. Go over to our website, American Dream Trading. You guys can sign up for free for 1 week and see what's going on over there and start drinking the Kool-Aid of the futures group. Good to have you back, buddy. Appreciate you.
The regularly scheduled program now in progress. Have a great day, Coach.
You
I'm
too.
out.
You too. I love that. Mark Newman. Mad Magazine.
I took all the M's out, right?
Yeah.
In my profile.
Yeah. I love that. When I was a kid, I used to get all of those Mad magazines. I used to take all
I loved them too.
I used to take all the Spy versus Spies, the centers that they would have, and I'd take them out, and I used to tape them on my walls. That's so cool. So anyways, that's
67.27 is going to be a double top from a couple days ago.
All right, thank you. Yep, and I've got the next level at 667.27, so we'll definitely be watching that. Thank you again, everybody, for watching. We appreciate you. This is American Dream Trading. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Chad, a.k.a. The Coach. I've been trading in the stock market now for 33 years, almost 34 years, which is crazy if that doesn't show my age. I've trained over 1 million people inside of this room. We've now had 15 brand new millionaires under our watch here. So 15 brand new millionaires created. We've got one that's closing in on it. That's David over there. One of our training moderators is closing in on 1 million buckaroos since joining us here. By the way, out of the 15 millionaires that we have created, only 2 of them ever traded before. 2 out of 15. We are on average now of creating a new millionaire about every other month since I've gone live 3 years ago. It's real close now to every other month. We've created, on average, a brand new millionaire created right here. We've retired well over 250 people as reported by our members. I'm not checking with their accountants and going in and checking brokerage statements and all the things, but we know the people, we know the stories, we hear them, we see screenshots, all the things. And as reported by our members, we are well over, this is where it gets nutto, we're well over $300 million in profits for our trading community. That is on average over $100 million per year since I have been doing this. We have broken, as far as I know, 3 world records. 3 world records since I started this 3 years ago. So congratulations to all of you that have taken advantage of the trading and training that we are providing here every day for free, by the way. 3 times a day. I'm here every day from 9 to 11. Mark is your host for futures every day from 2 to 4. And then Dawn, our hostess with the mostest, she's over there playing cleanup from 4 to 6. So that's where we're at every single day. Glad to have you all here. Appreciate each and every one of you. Let's get the money train going, because I know we've printed a lot of money today. Nice, nice. Let's call all of our animal friends. Nice. Everybody look to the sky. It's the American eagle. That's nice. So nice. Do me a favor. There's 300 people in the room and 200 people are watching live. Has anybody made any money? If you're watching for free, type in a 1. If you've learned anything, type in a 1. If you guys are in my Zoom room, if you've made any money, open the mics and let the world know. Go ahead.
Yes,
Yes.
Coach.
Yes,
sir.
Yeah, Coach.
Yes.
Making money.
Yes, Coach. Make
Yes,
money.
Coach. Made nice money. Yeah.
Yes, Coach.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
Apple just broke Vila.
Thank you. Good job, everybody. Appreciate you. Who's still in these SPY longs on our break of 665.76, which is where I said this is where I would long it, right?
I'm still holding one.
Nice job.
You're on
David, there's a big gap there on Apple.
Good job.
Phil, huh?
Good job. Now, here's what's really crazy. Could you imagine if you were crazy and you bought down here on this double bottom and you're still holding on the long, right? Ooh. Wow. Could you imagine that? Diamond hands, right? If you bought on the double bottom and you're still holding on the long. Ooh-wee!
Yeah, that would be a beautiful trade.
Wow. So choice. If not, oh, good job. I see everybody's rolling in. Thank you, Victoriano, Trader Kevin, Frank, Chuck, Keith, everybody. Nice job. Do me a favor. Everybody in the room, there's 300 people in my Zoom. Post your P&L in the Traders Lounge so that all of the free people that are rolling in can see exactly what we're doing. Those of you that are signing up right now for free, I see a bunch of people coming in. Make sure you verify your account. You got an email with a step-by-step process on how to verify your account. If your account is not verified within 24 hours, the system will remove you, right? Because we don't have any spam or bot accounts. These are all legitimate, real people in the room. So make sure you verify your account. And again, remember, I will never send a direct message. None of our moderators will. We will never send a friend request. Those are all scammers. We don't do that here. If you guys have any issues, open up a help desk ticket. Now, one of our latest services that we do, if you have any questions about our memberships, open up a help desk ticket. And if you don't know how, in the Traders Lounge, say, I need help. We will open up a help desk ticket for you. We will Zoom conference you in on a call and answer all of your questions about our membership services. Nobody, let me repeat, nobody has the type of service that we have here. We have the A+ service, just like the A+ setups. My entire life is always about having the greatest customer service on earth. We are a service-first oriented business. I have never in the last, well, we've been here for 5 years, but in the last 3 years of me going live, no one has ever waited longer than 5 minutes ever to get support and or a question answered in our help desk ticket system. That has to tell you how serious we are about when we work with you. Am I right? Do we or do we not have the greatest service on earth here at American Dream Trading?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Try calling into AT&T and see how long you hold.
100%.
Best ever.
Largest company.
Thank you. And we take great pride in that, right? That's why I always overstaff us on everything, right? That way we can over-deliver on every promise that we make inside of here, right? I cannot promise that you will make money. You are a human being. Nobody's there clicking the buttons for you. But I can promise you we will always, always have the latest, the greatest, the best training, and the best support you have ever seen in your lives. Appreciate you all. Listen, it's 10:55. I'm going to start wrapping up here. I might pop on later just so I can hang out with Mark. If he's over there this afternoon, I might pop back in over there. Listen. Take advantage of, look at heavy on the vine on SPY. Everybody see this?
Yep.
See it
Just
curled?
waiting for it to pass that. Yep.
Yeah. If that breaks at 21, we're going to look for a pullback down to that 665.76 area again, right? So heavy on the vine. This is a pattern change. Watching it here.
666.90 was a gold line for quite a while.
Was it? Okay, thank you. Good to hear from you. That's Palm, by the way, one of our other training moderators. But anyways, get that Diamond Lifetime membership. If you have the ability, get it. You want to make a payment plan? Fine. You want to put it on multiple cards? No problem. You want to pay in a different way? Cash App, Venmo, Zelle? Fine. Doesn't matter. Open up a help desk ticket. We can work with you. But this is your last opportunity. They are gone. After this, they are gone. Now, if you want to pay us $10,000 a year to get the same thing instead of $5,000 once, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that, right? That's a much better business proposition, and that's why I have to get rid of them because those are a lose for me on my end, right? So take advantage. This is it. Everybody have a blessed day. I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, James, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of you. Did I see a question just came in? Hold on one second, I think. What are the Super Trend settings over in the free lounge area? My Super Trend settings partner is 13 and 2. 13 and 2 if you are trading off of the 1, 2, or 5. If you guys want to do something, yeah. If you want to scalp, though, you can change it to the 13-1. If you want to go to a longer time frame, you can change it as well. But typically around the 2 minute, which is about what we're averaging, the super trend is a 13-2. But if you want to scalp, 13-1. All right, listen. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Appreciate you. Everybody, God bless. Have an amazing day. Hopefully you made some money. Love your faces. I'm out of here. See ya.
Thank you, Kevin.